Thank you for joining us for another edition of the Optimized Weekly Market Recap. I'm Matthew McGraw, and today we'll be taking a look at some major events that took place last week and what we're watching this week as we move forward. The market certainly delivered a very strong finish last week, with the Nasdaq leading the way, soaring over 3%. The S&P 500 also posted impressive gains, nearing 1%, while the TSX Composite ended in positive territory. This robust performance highlights the market's continued optimism and sets a very positive tone as we delve into the key factors driving these gains, including, of course, our top company, our top sector, and our top asset class. I'll start out by talking about Salesforce, which continues to dominate cloud computing markets, modernizing front office systems, and driving growth for leading organizations. Its strong ecosystem and market leadership position underscore our confidence in its long-term value creation. In highlighting the consumer discretionary sector, surging consumer sentiment and healthy spending trends propelled the sector to outperform last week, posting gains of almost 6%. Retail leaders delivered strong earnings, underscoring the resilience of consumer demand and driving steady economic growth. U.S. equities remain our top asset class by far, offering stability and global appeal. Our allocation towards large cap equities captures growth opportunities in key sectors like technology, financials, and consumer goods, reinforcing their global market leadership. Looking at the events from the past week, the S&P 500 achieved a very historic milestone, crossing the 6,000 mark for the first time and marking its 56th all-time high of the year. Historically, the index has delivered positive returns in the months following such milestones, reinforcing investor confidence and market momentum. Turning to the labor market, U.S. payrolls rebounded in November, adding nearly 250,000 jobs, led by healthcare and hospitality. Rising wages supported labor income, underscoring resilience as equities closed at record highs. Lastly, consumer discretionary stocks continued their sharp rally last week, gaining nearly 6%. Strong October retail sales and improved jobs data, paired with surging consumer sentiment, underscore the resilience of spending and its impact on economic growth. For the week ahead, we'll be watching Monday's U.S. core CPI release for critical insights into inflation trends and their potential impact on Federal Reserve policy. The Bank of Canada's interest rate decision, also on Monday, will reveal whether further rate cuts are on the horizon as policymakers navigate inflation and labor market dynamics. Notable companies reporting this week include Broadcom, Costco, Adobe, and Oracle, providing updates on corporate performance and sector trends. Overall, it was an exciting week for the markets, highlighted by the S&P 500 reaching a historic milestone and a strong rebound in U.S. payrolls that underscored economic resilience. As we look ahead, key data releases and corporate earnings will provide further insights into inflation dynamics, central bank policy, and sector performance. Thanks for tuning in to this week's recap, and we'll see you next time.